Hey y'all, today we're going to make a simple skillet apple dessert. I've got 2 large Granny Smith apples, and I'm going to melt 1 tablespoon of butter in the bottom of a cast iron skillet. I'm going to add the chopped apples into 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And these are just roughly chopped. We'll add 1/3 cup sugar and 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and just a pinch of salt. I've got 1 ready-made frozen pie crust that I've just had sit on the counter to let it thaw a little. We're going to top this with a package 8 ounces of crescents. And this is a use what you have recipe. So if you don't have any crescent rolls, you can top it with a can of biscuits or another pie crust if you have it. And there is no right or wrong way. We just want to get some crust on the top. It ain't got to look good, it's just got to taste good. I'm going to brush the top with 1 egg that I've beaten. And we're going to pop it in the oven. We'll let this sit and cool, and then we'll give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. I'll see you next time.